My dear students, how are you? I am also fine. I hope that you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Dear students, the previous class we discussed about English grammar and composition tag question. Today I am going to start a new class for class 9 English first paper, English for today, Unit 3, Lesson 4, B, International Mother Language Day. It is very important topic for you. Dear students, follow the class very carefully and listen to me what I say. Okay? Dear student, I hope that you are all good. Look at the whiteboard and listen to me what I say. International Mother Language Day. It is a very important topic for you. Your annual examination at hand. It will be started 24 instant. That is why all students follow the class very carefully. Your textbook, open your textbook, page number 35. Now I read out this topic. Okay, all students, the textbook now remain in front of you and listen to me what I say. 21st February is observed as Shohid Divas every year throughout the country in remembrance of the martyrs of language movement of 1952. It was our language movement 1952. There are many students of Dhaka University or another university students died then because it is dangerous language movement for our actually we gained it. Okay, the commemoration begins at the early hours of the day with morning songs that recall the supreme sacrifices of our language martyrs. Okay. We always reminded our freedom fighters because they are our golden sons. They fought anti-fighters and glorious 16 December. Next line. People wear black badges and go to the Shohid Minar in barefoot procession singing morning songs. They place wreaths at the Minar. Many of them visit the graves of the martyrs at Azimpur graveyard and pray for them. They also attend various programs organized in remembrance of the language martyrs. The UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization on 17 November in 1999 proclaimed February 21st as the International Mother Language Day in recognition of the sacrifices of the martyrs for the rightful place of Bangla. The day is now annually observed worldwide to promote awareness of linguistic and cultural diversity and multilingualism. We are Bangladeshi. After independence, this country, new country's name Bangladesh. We live in Bangladesh. We are citizen of Bangladesh. Okay, our language Bangla, first language and second language English. Now follow the class very carefully. UNESCO, UNESCO, United, UNITED, and Nations, NATIONS, Educational, 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 Scientific, 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 and Cultural, CULTURL, Cultural, Organization, ORGANIZATION. Dear students, follow the class very carefully. United and Nations, Educational, S Scientific, and C Cultural, O Organization. United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. This organization was very helpful to our mother tongue. That is why it is an international language. It observed Shohid Divas. Many countries of the world observed. About 193 countries, all of the world, we observed the day, whole country, and different types of program. We start the certain day. Okay, my dear students, if you do not understand any topics, you question me, I shall reply you. I always helpful for you. If you understand any topics, you will reply. You will tell me. I shall reply you. I have a channel. This channel name is B channel. B channel. B channel. You subscribe me. Any class, any video, you will get always. Okay, my dear students, now I shall give you choose the best answer. Number 1, who observe Shohid Divas every year? OBSERBED. Who observe Shohid Divas? SHAHEED. DIVOSH. Shohid Divas. EVERY EVYEAR. Who observes Shohid Divas every year? I shall write only answer in the whiteboard. Write down in your khata question or answer. Oh, my dear students, follow this class very carefully. Answer. All of ages, people of all ages. POPL, people of all ages. People of all ages. People of all ages who observe Shohid Divas every year. The Shohid Divas observed every year. People of all ages. Number 2, dash declare. DCLARED. Dash declare 21 February. ABBRUARY. February as the International Mother Language Day. DMY. International Mother Language Day. Who then declared? That's declared. UNESCO declared. UNESCO. UNESCO. UNESCO declared 21st February as the International Mother Language Day. But it is a very interesting class for you. If you read the passage very carefully with meaning, you will shine in life, you will prosper in life, you will pass the exam. No student will fail in the examination. Those who attentive for class, they will shine in the exam. Okay. Next class. The praise Shohid Divas reports. The praise, PHRASC, praise Shohid Divas, SHAHEED, Shohid DIVOS, Shohid Divas, SH. The praise Shohid Divas refers to REAPR refers to Shohid Divas praise refers to indicate language movement LANGUAGE AZ, language movement, MOVEMENT. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. It is language movement. It is language movement. Okay. Section 2. What does black, BLACK, black badges, BADGES, what does black badges symbolize? SYMBOLIZD, symbolize. Okay, black badges symbolize what? Sadness. NESS, sadness. Bad badges mean sadness. Okay, sadness. My dear students, 4. So the best answer I discuss about. Certainly you follow these things and write down in your khata. It is very important for you. Next 21st February, 21st APBRUARY. 21st February is now. Observe. Celebrate. CELEBRATE. Celebrated. 21st February is now celebrated all over the world. Across the world. ACRO close the WORLD. Okay, my dear students, 21st February is now celebrated across the world. Okay, fine. Those students follow my video class and they will realize this topic English Fast Food Unit 3 Lesson 4B. It is very important for you. Remember you always read out these topics English first paper. Very carefully read out these topics with meaning. If you read out these topics very carefully, you will pass the exam. Dear student, my channel, subscribe you. BRAZEE017155935118. You charge the name and the number. Always my class you will show. Okay. BRAZENWARGWAMI. My dear students, now I shall give you homework. Next class you will show me these topics. People regarding the matters for is homework 1. POPLE, people, REGARD, regard, the MARTYRS, matters for. Okay. Number 2. What is the number 2? What do you go? Why do you go? Why do we go to the Shoaib? Shoaib Minar, M-I-N-A-R, Minar, B-A-R-E-B-R, F-O-O-T-D, barefooted. Why do we go to the Shoaib Minar barefooted? This question write down in your khata. All students will be this trophies write down in your khata. I shall show the homework. Thank you. Okay, my dear students. Thank you very much, all of students. Study home, stay home, and regular study at your home, and respect your teacher, respect your father and mother, and you will abide by the rules of World Health and School Rules. Thank you very much, all of students. Thank you.